Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about denture tablets. Denture tablets can be used for cleaning in so many ways. Today I want to share some of them with you. Clean vases without scrubbing. When the flowers have dried, you don't have to wash your vase before putting it away. Just pop inside a denture tablet in some water and it will clean itself. I show you how dirty my vase is, and by using this hack, then only rinsing it with clean water, it becomes sparkling clean. I love this hack. This is the result. So clean. Another way you can use denture tablets is to clean and disinfect dishcloths and sponges. Place them in a container, cover with hot water and a tablet. Let them sit for 10 minutes or more. Squeeze them and that's it. So simple. Now take a look at this water. So filthy. You could think that your sponges are clean, but maybe you will think twice after you see this water. Go clean your sponges now! Denture tablets are great for cleaning because they contain baking soda and citric acid, which means they can disinfect, whiten, and remove stains easily. They also contain dilute sodium hypochlorite, that is a mild bleach, which is a cleaning and bleaching agent. Another way to use them: remove coffee and tea stains. If beverages have left brown stains on your mugs, cups, tea or coffee pot, denture tablets can remove the stains. Add 1 tablet to the stained cup and hot water. Allow it to work overnight. It will give you the best results. If you don't have all night, then at least 2 hours. Empty the solution, rinse thoroughly, and that's it. Another way to use them: clean and remove burnt food from oven dishes and glass dishes without scrubbing. I show you my dirty, greasy oven dish that will clean itself so nicely with only hot water and a denture tablet. I only left mine for 15 minutes, but it depends on the stains and level of grease. If you have burnt on food stains, you have to let it sit overnight or at least a few hours. Then you have to rinse it and that's it. A very quick way to clean them. Another way to use them: clean and disinfect plug holes. Put a denture tablet over your plug hole, add hot water, and you're done. Another way to use them: remove toilet stains and rings. Add a tablet to your toilet, let it sit overnight, then flush. If the toilet is so dirty, before flushing, scrub like usual with your toilet brush. There are endless uses for denture tablets. I only presented some of them. You can remove mineral deposits from your kettle and coffee maker. You can keep your flowers fresher for longer because they help remove bacteria that cause fresh flowers to wilt more quickly. You can remove plastic container stains because the bleaching agents can help lift those stains. You can remove stuck-on food from your pans. Use this method on non-stick pans only. Using denture tablets on cast iron or uncoated metals can damage the metal. You can clean a shower head, water bottles, and the list is endless. I had these denture tablets on hand, but any brand is good for your cleaning tasks. You can find them at the grocery store, on Amazon, in pharmacy, etc. If you like cleaning hacks, I will link at the end of this video my cleaning hacks playlist. It will help you clean faster and easier. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!